Okay, so before you can put castor wheels on the heater, you have to remove the wall bracket. So to do that, there's a little lever in here. So you just get a flathead screwdriver, you pop it inside, and then you prise that part out. And what you can do is just wiggle the bracket, and that will come away. It basically hooks in. So when you get your pouch that contains the castor wheels, there's a couple of extra bits in the pouch. So basically in Europe, these are designed to be wall-mounted radiators. So for the Australia, New Zealand market, they add castor wheels, just for our markets, as people tend to also like to have heaters on wheels and move them around. So they're a universal set of castor wheels. So what you'll have is two sets, and then you'll also have some screws. There'll be two big screws and two little screws. You might also be confused because in the packet sometimes you'll find one of these as well. Now this is an extra piece of moulding that's for a different heater. It actually is part of a cartridge that can go on the back of one of the heaters, but that's not for any heater in Australia or New Zealand, so that's just a spare part, so you don't need that. To install, you line up with these. So these are basically your slots at the back of the heater. So you've got these two little screw holes here. So what we're going to do is line up our castor wheels with that. Now these hook in. So you see these little hooks here? So you hook them in line like so. So they hook through this grill, and then you line up these holes. So the big hole at the top should line up with the slit, and the little hole at the bottom should line up with the drill hole there. So what we're going to do is that you use the big screw, and that screws into the slit to grip. Now when you screw it, you just want to make sure you don't over tighten it. So you just want to do it gently at first, and then this is a little extra screw to stabilize. So that goes in there, into the little hole. So you screw that one in, and then you tighten this one up. But careful not to over tighten. And then that's on there, nice and sturdy. And you repeat the process for the other one.